It's raining too, guys. See that? Even though with this extreme condition, you're still able to land. See, that's the same thing about the Phantom. That's the reason why I always mention, because it's a high profile. And look at this one right here. You can see when it lands, you know, it's not even bothering it. Now we're gonna go ahead and land over here. So even though it's windy, it lands normal. So you don't have to, even though you're far away out there, you're doing active track far away in the ocean or something, I don't know. You don't have to worry about your drone flipping over. But anyway, yeah. We go again. It's blowing right now. And now it's gonna go back up. See? Woohoo! Most of the time, some of the quads will like flip over because of the wind. But you can see this one right here, just do it properly right. See guys, it's raining, it's wet. Woo! Look at that thing shake. And it still give you a decent view. See guys, the wind. And one thing about it too, you see the sensor, you must start beeping because the sand is gonna go in there. So if you have this not on sport mode, you're gonna start beeping. But yeah, right now it's extreme wind right now, so it's crazy. Woo! Look at that. So it's not really good to fly this in the wind, I mean in the rain, because look, if you have a touch screen, it's hard to touch. Sometimes your it would not work. See right now, because your screen is wet. So sometimes you need to, so you gotta have a controller if you are thinking about doing it. I mean, no one's stopping you guys. This is what adventure's supposed to be, you know, in a rough condition. So I think it's better when you have a transmitter, you know, just do the job right. You can see here, whew, it's crazy. So you can see again how we landing in the extreme wind. Look at that, perfect. And then now, you see that? He's still not flipped, and look how dirty he is. So this is like the roughest condition you guys ever think of. And right now I gotta wipe up the camera. Look at it, it's all dirty. So